let's say I've had a little accident in this car. I guess about 5, almost 6 months ago, and there's a little, little tweaking to the rack and pinion, but she's got to run. You know what I mean? That's why the steering wheel is fucking crooked and shit. But she runs like a champ, man. Car's been running, I guess, 20 minutes. Fucking temperature's right, oil pressure's right. But I got so many damn projects going on right now. I'm working on the green vette. Shit, looks like I'll probably be putting headers on it. That's a whole nother video. My phone got stolen, my truck got stolen, so I can't put all my same videos on the same deal. I had my last one, blah blah blah, all that horse shit, but this one is still running good. The car's been sitting for months. She's ready to go, man. Ready to go. After I get the green one back on the road, I'm gonna focus all my energy on this babe. I miss my girls. I got a truck, which is actually a really cool truck. Low numbers. It's a Regency sport truck. They didn't make many of them, so yeah, I'm always into buying cars. Always, buying really toys. Like I said, I have so many projects right now. But she is running fantastic. Say a little boo-boo there. And I hit a bird bath. Well, it wasn't intentional. The car is spinning. Shit happens. But this is a new baby right here. And you know what I mean? Like, that was really the damage to the truck when I bought it. There's dirty on the inside. But this is a really cool truck, man. Stereo system was awesome. Foose design. Still has the there you go. Foose. Still has the Foose wheels on it. Yeah, I don't. Has another one here, but it was. It's not bad for, you know. It's what I wanted. I paid $8 grand for it. They said it's a low number truck. Regency only made the extended cab step sides. Like they made like 900 Silverados, and see, I'm the only person that's ever tried using this as a truck. And they only made like 600 Sierras, so low number truck. I've already had 3 different people want to buy the truck from me. That's why I bought it. You know, you make your money when you buy it, not when you sell it. You know what I'm saying? But I guess she's dirty. I should have, you know, should have been a better video. Only thing aftermarket is the stereo system and K&N and my crap. I went to Dallas and back with it. It's got 147,000 miles on it, and the truck just runs fantastic. 5.3 in it, and it's loud. It just it rocks, man. And everything is factory. Well, what came from Regency, the exhaust, everything except for well, you know, I've done some, you know, LED work to it. But anyways, pretty good old truck. I don't know if I'm going to sell it or not, but hey, the price is right. Everything's for sale.